Greetings, Earthlings. I am Professor Crowley, here today with Trix. Oh, 1 minute. Trixie! So, yeah, here we are. This is episode number 12. And today we were supposed to be...
Making a cake.
We were supposed to be baking a cake today. Trixie was. However, because of the coronavirus lockdown, a lot of the ingredients aren't actually in the shops at the moment because all of you at home, everyone has had the same idea. They're bored at home and everyone's making cakes with their kids, which is absolutely fantastic. It just means that we're going to have to wait a little longer before we can make our one. Mm-hmm. Yeah? So that is still coming, but today we're going to introduce a little bit of culture. Little known fact, but Trixie is a quarter Spanish. Yeah?
Yeah.
She's a quarter Spanish. Her mum is half Spanish and her mum's mum is fully Spanish. So today we're going to be doing some Spanish words. So let's get to it. It's time for our lockdown class picnic.
You're soft, you're sloppy. They calling me Poppy. I'm rolling in bands, you riding around and I beat up jalopy. Hey, dog, bros wanna copy, but they are just not me. I'm up in the club, stacking the dubs and stuffing a lot. I'm hot like sauce. You soft like balsa. You ain't heard of me? Well, you probably are. Ask about me. Nice to meet you. So good to see you. Bros wanna act hard, they need to take it easy. Cause you soft. Cause you soft. I don't. S-A-W-F-T. Soft. I don't. I look good when I'm ready. You're soft like spaghetti. I'm walking the walk, talking the talk, I'm calling you soft. I'm a club connoisseur. See me out on the floor, and you getting jelly the way all these girlies be up in the roar. What's up, babe?
Today we're going to be learning about la comida.
What does la comida mean?
The food.
The food?
We're going to learn about different types of comida.
Wow.
comida that we eat every single day. The first type of comida is bread, which is pan, el pan. That means the bread, el pan. El pan, can you guys say that?
El pan.
Good. Comida, food. El pan is bread. And el plátano.
What's that?
That is one of my favorite fruits, bananas.
Bananas.
El plátano means the banana. Can you say el plátano?
El plátano.
Good. I can't hear you guys. There we go. That's a bit louder. Look at all these plátanos. Look at all these bananas. Next we have un huevo.
Nice. And what does that mean?
That means eggs. Un huevo means an egg. Now we have some huevos. Can you say huevos?
Huevos.
Good. Now I can hear you. Okay, pan, plátanos, and what we're learning about right now, huevos. The next one is arroz.
What's arroz?
That is rice.
Rice.
Can you say arroz?
Arroz.
Good, I can hear you. The next one is la lechuga.
Ooh, that sounds fun. La lechuga. What's that?
That is the lettuce. I love lettuce. Can you say lechuga?
Lechuga.
Good, I can hear you guys. Now we're trying to say an apple.
An apple?
Yeah. Una manzana. Can you say una manzana?
Una manzana.
Good. Here's the last one of la comida means the food that we're gonna learn today. El queso. El queso. Can you say el queso?
El queso.
I can hear you from all the way over there. El queso. That means the cheese. El queso. Queso means cheese.
Ah.
Here is a picture of some queso.
So Trixie, it's been fantastic learning some Spanish words with you
It's
today.
like I was a teacher.
Yeah, some Spanish food words today. Really enjoyed it. Still food related, so although we couldn't bake your delicious cake, it was
Still food related?
still food related, yes. Do you have anything to say to the lovely people watching at home?
Just keep on eating good greens and hopefully you're okay in these bad times.
Yeah.
Keep eating some lechuga.
Ah, yes.
And bye. Make sure to subscribe.
But actually, another thing I just wanted to quickly say, at this point we should add a little picture of you when you were a baby wearing a flamenco, a Spanish type of dress. Beautiful.
Adios!
Ha ha ha!